Yeah, here we go. Look, we're just going, moving. Got to be careful around there. The vines. It's like being in a rock and roll jungle. Here we go. Out there. Sorry, mate. What? Oh, just look, we're moving round the back. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, don't know what they're doing. Oi, oi. Have you? Oh, never mind. Hey, Paul. Hey, Paul. 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 Oh, why is he always ignoring me? Oh, Derek. There's Derek. Oh, Jeff's there. All right, Jeff. Jeffrey back. Here we go. Let's see. Hey, give it you. Oh, okay. I'll move on. No, never mind. I don't know who that is at the keyboards. No. That gentleman there is Mick. Oh, Mick, have you got that 40p? Oh, I don't think he heard me. There's the girls, the string sections. And there's the... Where's the audience? She said that there's people going to be coming. What's the point in doing the gig? Hey, Paul. Oh, hey.
So we're just